In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print selected cells in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to print just a specific table or a small portion of your spreadsheet without wasting paper on the entire sheet, this is exactly what you need. Start by opening your Google Sheets document in your browser. Make sure the sheet that contains the data you want is active and everything you need to print is visible on screen. Next, highlight the exact cells you want to print. Click and drag your mouse over the range so it's clearly selected. You'll see a blue outline around the area. If you grab the wrong range, simply click once anywhere to clear the selection and try again. Take a moment to confirm you've included headers or totals if you want them in the printout. Now go to the top menu and choose File, then Print. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on a Mac to get there faster. This opens the Print Setup window with a live preview on the right. Under the Print section, open the dropdown and choose Selected Cells. This tells Google Sheets to print only the highlighted range, not the entire sheet. If you don't see that option, double-check that your cells are still selected in the background. Look at the Print preview to confirm that only the cells you need are displayed. Use the zoom control to get a closer look at the formatting and make sure it fits nicely on the page. If it doesn't, a few quick adjustments will fix it. Adjust your print settings for the best result. Orientation lets you switch between portrait and landscape. Landscape is often better for wider tables. Margins can be set to normal, narrow, or wide depending on how much white space you prefer. Scaling helps the content fit. Fit to width is great for wide ranges, while fit to page can shrink everything to one page if that makes sense for your layout. You can also check paper size so it matches what your printer uses and review page breaks in the preview to avoid awkward splits. Once everything looks good in the preview, click Next. This takes you to your browser or system print dialog where you can choose a printer to print immediately or select Save as PDF to create a digital copy. If saving a PDF, pick a destination on your computer and confirm the file name. That's it. You've printed only the cells you needed, cleanly and efficiently, without extra pages.